Here we can see that from the first LEDs to the next LEDs, the circuit is broken. Because of this break, the electricity cannot flow forward. That is why all the LEDs and the motor are not working. So we need to repair this point by soldering the broken connection. Once we solder and close the circuit, the electrical path will be complete again. Then the current will flow properly, and all the LEDs and the motor will start working normally.